Hi, okay, now we will start with from the very beginning. So this is your RStudio crowd. It will look like this, just like the RStudio, exactly the same, but it's running in the crowd. So now you start by uploading your file in here. So I will choose the file. Okay, so now we have the file here, the map r.r. So then first of all, you need to make sure that you have all of the packages that install in the R. If not, then you can just go here and install the package. For example, elevator, something like that. And then you click on it and then install. And make sure you have everything, and then you can run them all. So yeah. So ignore the warning, yeah. So now we will load the country from the built-in R file, which is ALT. This is the built-in file in R. So you don't need to download anything because you call it by get data. So if you want to change the country, you can just change it here. For example, if I want UK, I will put it here, something like that. But now we just want USA, so we put it like that. And then we start by running line by line. So now after you running, you will see that here the file of USA1 MSKALT is generated, all of it until 4. So you can see that you have 4 level of the USA. And then we get the file again. Be careful, this one is a case sensitive. So, okay. So this one, I call the USA file from GADM. The same, but I store it in USA, but it's case sensitive because I put it in a small capital letter. And then the next one is Alaska because we are interested in Alaska. So here is where you change the name. If you want other country or other city, sorry, you will just change the name here. Okay, so this is say we call subset of USA, which is the name is Alaska. So then let's try that. Okay, so now this one is a little bit tricky. I think I explained in the description. So here, if you look at if I run the USA, you can see that we have like a multiple level of the data. So we don't want all of them because you can get messed up. So then we just want to pick one of these 4. So it will be level 2, I think, for the USA. Yeah, because I tried other levels, it didn't work well. But make sure here you have the correct directory because it will be different for each person computer. So it will be different from you as well. So here I will just copy the directory from here. So okay. So now we have the correct directory and then we run. And then as you can see, we will store everything in the label USA. So now it's come only one layer. So the class, make sure it be a raster layer and yeah, and other information for the map. And then we want to crop it. We want just one Alaska and just one part of USA. So we matching Alaska with the whole map of the USA. So we need to crop it. Yeah, so that's work. We check the crop map again. And then we will see that now the class is also raster layer. And then we have the same. But I think because of the information, the dimension and resolution here is quite big, so I will just smaller it down. So by this line. So this one will take a while, so you need to be patient. So for the RStudio Crowd, it works much slower than RStudio. It's exactly the same thing, but it just run in crowd. That's it. I think I will make it run and then I will come back later.